guys, it's me, Noasha. Do you remember me? Well, I hope so. I'm kind of back. It's been a while, isn't it? I haven't posted anything since February or January. And just guessing by the date, you can already imagine why. So my mental health got really bad. But I already discussed it in previous videos. But there was a different reason why it got bad. I guess it's not enough. This time is different, but not quite. Last time, I felt anger and misery, and I still do. But this time, I felt fear, I didn't know how to live. After a few months, I finally visited a therapist. Her words actually helped me. So I'm trying to get back to my life. It's hard. So that's why I started streaming on Twitch. Wow, that's a good transition to another topic. I'm proud of myself. Sorry. I abandoned recording videos on my first channel about Minecraft, and with that, I also abandoned streaming. I streamed on YouTube for a couple of months. My streams were quite boring and I didn't know what to stream, but I did and I liked it. So I decided that maybe if I stream how I do my regular things like drawing, making sketches, or making videos, playing games and stuff, doing my homework, that will help. It's been a while, like maybe a month, and I can say for sure that it helped. Like, it did! If you know Russian, which you probably do, you can go over there, link in the description, or right there in the upper right corner. Please support me, just sit with me, do your own stuff. I do my own, we chat, and we just have a nice time. So yeah, that's it. Next I want to talk with you about my plans for coming back to life. I have 2 unreleased videos that I really want to finish, but they're weird. First one is about cleaning a fashion-sized pony, and she's also my very first pony ever. So that's an interesting video, but I don't know why I can't finish it. So I should, and I will, on my Twitch channel. Sorry. And the other one is about making a gift for my friend on her birthday. It's made out of polymer clay, and I really love them. You'll see what I'm talking about. Just trust me. Those things that I made are really awesome. And that's kind of it. I can't edit those videos for 7 months. That's a lot. Here I should have said that I'm trying to come back to life in social media. Apparently I did. I did too well. I broke my record in views in DeviantArt by 2.5 times. My previous record was 1.5k views on a painting of Zip, and I released it when the My Little Pony and New Generation came out. That was a huge hype. And here, freaking 4K! And it's not even a full painting. It's just a sketch. A freaking sketch that I did in 2 hours. Maybe less. And it got 4,000 views on DeviantArt. I don't know how many views it got on Twitter or Instagram. How this piece of poop got 4,000 views. I wanted to come back with a slime ranger painting, but I guess I did. I just did. And I don't know if YouTube still thinks that I'm alive. Maybe I need to create a new channel so I can get into recommendations. I don't know. So we'll have to see. I think I'll be quite busy because this is my last year in school and I have exams to prepare for, and I have other exams not in school, and also I have a project to do. But let's just hope and pray that I'll be fine, that I will make lots of videos for you, and I'll be happy, and all the world around me will be happy because I'm back, baby! So yeah, that's it. See you soon in the next video. I mean, you won't see, like, me. I mean, you'll hear me from the past. From the January 20-something or 10-something. It doesn't matter, just bye. Have a nice day.